Huawei's budget-friendly Honor sub-brand has released the follow-up to the 6X, its fiercely competitive mid-range offering, the Honor 7X. Now sporting a body constructed entirely of aluminum, the 7X steps up the class factor from its partially plastic predecessor. Adding to this aura is the inclusion of an 18:9, 5.93-inch screen with minimal bezels to match. Throw in dual cameras and Honor's typically quick performance, and you have a lean, mean $200 mid-range machine. But is it enough to knock off more recognizable and similarly equipped competitors? In the box. Honor 7X. Micro USB charging cable and adapter. SIM tool. Interface and performance. The Honor 7X runs Emotion UI 5.1, built on Android Nougat. It still has a rather iOS-y vibe, circa iOS 7, especially with its cartoonish iconography and default setting opting not to use an app drawer, but rather spread the icons across the home screen. Of course, this setting can be changed, and so can many others. In fact, IMI offers a lot of aesthetic and functional customizations. Themes and icon layout are almost compulsory for such tweaking, which IMI no doubt offers, but more customizing can be done in the main settings. Here you can change how notifications are displayed, your nav key and status bar layout, and a few useful gestures involving the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor itself is extremely quick and accurate when unlocking the phone, as well as when being used for gestures. Not only can it manipulate the notification panel and answer phone calls, but also flick through photos in your gallery and serve as a trigger to snap a pic, as well. These are a few options among many others in this deep, but well-organized settings menu, all of which serve to make interacting with Honor 7X a more personalized and functional experience. Although the menus are generally well organized, any UI that offers such deep customization runs the risk of offering too much and becoming overwhelming. As such, a more intuitive settings search would be a great tool to improve the organization and presentation of these options. One implementation that comes to mind is Samsung's related settings feature, and the ability to search not just the titles of settings, but descriptions as well. In terms of applications, Honor opts to use proprietary apps for just about everything except for the browser, which is Google Chrome. Additional apps include a data backup app, which can back up to your computer or an SD card, a device maintenance app to clear up binary gunk, and an app to receive technical support. We have no complaints here, as we found them all to be intuitively designed and aesthetically pleasing. We also enjoy the ability to log into multiple social media accounts, via the App Twin feature. The US variant of the Honor 7X comes in only a 32GB/3GB RAM configuration, while other markets can grab a 7X with up to 64GB storage and 4GB RAM. Both run on the mid-range Kirin 659 SoC, and performance on our US model was quite peppy. Apps opened and switched promptly and smoothly. Transitions and animations didn't appear to lose frames or stutter, but gaming, while doable, won't come close to the buttery frame rate seen on higher-end devices, of course. Otherwise, users will be more than pleased with the 7X's day-to-day performance.